Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have some more diamond paintings to share with you today. These ones were sent to me for review from FGNormal. This is also another company that I have made my own purchases from in the past, and they have reached out to me to ask me to review some products for them again. It's been a while since I've done some reviews for FGNormal, but they were kind enough to send me a couple of images that I picked out, and pretty excited to share these with you guys. Excuse me. All three of them are 30 by 40s. They did come in the plastic mailing bag, and then they each have their own bags inside. This one, started to see these images on a lot of the websites lately, and I thought that this would be really cute. Get my little spreader here. It's a little wrinkly. This is a cat sign. It says, "I totally believe in love at first sight." It's just with cats and not humans. I thought that was cute. And then it's got the kitty peering through on the side. Super, super sticky. There we go. So this one, 30 by 40, again, that's the outside image. So just the actual image itself. It's about 24.5 by just shy of 35. And I thought this one would be okay for this size, even though it's a sign, because it had block lettering and it looked pretty clear. FGNormal does have the thumbnail image on their website to show you what it looks like mapped out in the diamond painting, so you can somewhat get an idea of what you're working with. So this one has 22 colors, all DMC codes, and the symbols are all letters, which is great. And it looks very nice and clear. Give you guys a sneak peek there. It's a little bit glittery, which is nice. I just thought that was super cute. So this one, round drills. Here's the kit, regular boat, wax, and pen. And this one is pre-bagged in baggies, which is awesome. I'm not going to open it up. 22 colors. It does end in number 22 there. I don't like to open these because they're so nicely packed. Excuse me. It stays really nice and organized. But you can see all of the colors there. They're really nice and muted. This one, the cat, was $6.27 Canadian. Might as well go for this other one in the clear bag. This one, I've been looking for a pineapple image, so I thought I would give this one a try. It looks super cute. Not a huge fan of white backgrounds, but every now and then I do give them a try just to see. Sometimes the symbol, they always seem to use the same symbol for white, and it's like a backsplash. And unless you get it on there absolutely perfect, which for these snack size paintings, I'm not, I do them pretty quickly. And you sometimes see the symbol sticking out behind, and especially because it's a white or light color background, you tend to notice it more. But I thought I would give this one a try. I love the watercolor effect of it. It looks really pretty. There are 28 colors in this small painting. So this side has the number and the symbol, and then over here we have the symbol and the DMC code. So they do have all of DMC codes. There are letters, numbers, and symbols, so there's a mix of everything, but it does look really nice and clear. And again, here's the toolkit. There's a couple baggies in this one. And this one also has an inventory sheet. I love their bags. They have the little diamond and then the number on them. And the drills look really nice. Again, I don't want to get it too messed up in there. 28 colors, that's a lot for a 30 by 40 image. And I think the bagged drills is new to FGNormal, at least since the last time I've ordered from them. So that DMC, quantity, symbol, and number. That's really great. There's lots of white in there. And then we've got all the other bright colors. That one's going to be really cute. So pineapple was $7.84. And the last one, this one came in a bubble mailer. Yeah, this one's a bag too. So I think that that's something new for them. Same kit. We've got some extra baggies though. Bagged drills. These ones just have numbers. They don't have the pre-printed. This one is just a cute fox that I thought was really nice. Super sticky on this one. Nice thick plastic too. There we go. I'll show you the drill field while I have this one pulled back. Really nice and clear. This one has 24 colors. And all letters, DMC codes. It's really cute. The fox sitting down in the flowers. There's a tree and a moon behind him with some stars. And all pre-baggied, nice, some neutrals, but then we've also got some nice bright colors in there, so that's going to be really sweet. So this one, the fox was $7.84. So the fox and the pineapple were both $7.84, and the cat was $6.27. All pre-bagged, which is great. I don't have to worry about putting them into containers. I can just work them straight from the baggies. Awesome. Yeah, so thank you very much, FGNormal. I'll have all the links to these images down below and also to their website. Check them out. And stay tuned. Eventually I will try and have these finished to share with you guys the finished products. But yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.